Welcome everyone. Let's talk about Ansible, your future best friend in automation. It's open source, meaning free like a coffee someone else pays for. It makes managing IT infrastructure a breeze. No more dealing with endless manual configurations, just simple YAML-based playbooks. Think of it as your reliable assistant that never complains. And the best part, it eliminates those mind-numbing repetitive tasks. Say goodbye to hours of manual work and hello to efficiency. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Ever wish IT automation was as simple as ordering pizza? Well, Ansible delivers. No extra software, just pure simplicity. Its human-readable syntax means you won't need a PhD to understand it. Plus, it automates everything, from networks to cloud services. The result? A world with fewer human errors and more time for coffee breaks. Now, before diving in, let's check the prerequisites. Ansible runs on Linux, macOS, and Windows with WSL. It speaks Python, so make sure that's installed. It connects using SSH, like a secret handshake between computers. And the best part, it doesn't demand powerful hardware. Even your old, tired laptop will work just fine. Linux folks, installing Ansible is a breeze. First, refresh your repositories with sudo apt update. Think of it as cleaning your fridge before stocking groceries. Then install it with sudo apt install Ansible. Finally, run Ansible version to confirm it's alive and kicking. If only all installations were this smooth. Before diving into Ansible, let's make sure it's actually installed. We'll start with a simple command to check the version. If it's missing, we might have to do some troubleshooting. Also, verifying dependencies and config files saves time later. Finally, we run a basic command, because nothing says I installed it like seeing it actually work. Alright, installation is done. Now let's get things running smoothly. Configuring Ansible makes life easier, especially setting up inventory and tweaking settings. Picking the right remote user and SSH setup ensures Ansible talks nicely to our nodes. Finally, we do a quick connectivity test, because setup without validation is just wishful thinking. Think of your inventory file as your Ansible address book. It tells Ansible where to go and whom to talk to. Grouping hosts makes it easier to manage them collectively. Setting connection parameters right is key, or else Ansible might end up knocking on the wrong door. A quick ping test makes sure everything is set before running real commands. This is where the magic happens, running your first Ansible command. A ping test tells us if everything is wired up correctly. Then we try out simple tasks like checking uptime or disk usage. Nothing too fancy, but enough to see results. Finally, playbooks come into play for automation, making life easier. And remember, checking output messages saves us from unnecessary panic. We all love smooth installations, but sometimes things break. Python version mismatches are sneaky troublemakers. Fixing dependencies early prevents future headaches. SSH issues. We've all been there. Ensuring proper keys and connectivity is crucial. And when things get frustrating, Ansible logs in verbose mode are our best friends, helping us uncover what went wrong. And that's a wrap. We've installed Ansible, configured it, and even run commands. But this is just the beginning. There's a whole world of Ansible modules and playbooks to explore. Engaging with the community helps when troubleshooting gets tricky. And the best way to learn: start automating real-world tasks. You'll thank yourself later. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.